Hi everyone, my name is Mohammad Kardan. In this video I wanna describe how did I model this stair and how this character going up, as you can see, with good animation on it. Do you see that? The reason that it's going up correctly is because of good collision for it, and it's not gonna jump off the stairs. As you see, it's blocked. Do you see? And the material and all of these technical stuffs and so on and so forth. So let's go jump back to Maya. As I mentioned in the last video, for our stair and scaling and all of that stuff, in Outliner I select the whole objects, imported them in Maya in here, as you see, and then in here I just hide this part a little bit cleaner, not like that. Let me do it like such a thing, like this. Okay, then hide this part as well, like that, and then said to myself, okay, this is the distance from here to this wall, and I measured this part of our stair and so on and so forth. Okay, and for our railing I did the same scenario. I modeled it. Okay, so and this is the result of our stair. Where is it? It's in here, as you see. So like our reference, let me show you. This is our reference. These are the stairs in here or in here, as you see. Okay, it has a base and some metals and the stairs, and the stairs has some maybe leather or something like that, and it has a railing and so on and so forth. Okay, so I've modeled one of them, this part, and then copied like that and scaled this part, and yeah. Okay, so for railing, like our reference, as you see, I've modeled it like that and then imported them in Unreal Engine. This is the stairs and this is the rail with different texture sets. I'll use leather, I'll use wood, I use metal, and for our railing I used metal, plastic, and again metal. Different color, maybe looking good. And for collision, for our railing I used box collision. Let me show you. As you can see, then for our railing, for our stairs I used custom collision. It's in here. Let me hide this one. This is the stairs. As you can see, this is our stairs. And how did I make this? So how did I use this? First of all, I want to say that for our stair I clicked this part of our stair like this, like I did a duplicate of it, hide this part, then said to myself, okay, let's select this part, select similar and this part, unselect the others, delete. And for collision we need to have boxes, we can't use simple plane, so I extrude them a little bit like that. Okay, then I separated them. There is separation. I separated them, as you can see, 1 2 3, because Unreal knows like that, 1 2 3 4 5 collisions. Because let me show you in here, stairs, railing, no, stairs. Here it is, collision part. It has from 0 to 17, 18 collisions, and it's in here, simple collision, as you can see. Okay, let me show you in here. When we go into player collision, these are our collisions. Okay, and as you can see in here, but for letting know Unreal Engine these are collisions, we have to name it like UBX underscore our name. For our assets name is stairs, so I named it like UBX underline stairs 01. And I have a plugin for that. I used it, like I select them all and use this plugin and named it to UBX like that. Okay, so that was the point of this modeling part of this stairs. And as you can see, let me go to this part. This collision, it's the reason that our character can move like that, like a stairs. Okay, and don't fall off. So, and for the last part, for texturing all of the stuff, I didn't spend too much time on UVing correctly because I used world texture aligned technique, like our shader. For our shaders, as you can see, I use my master material, doesn't need any UV or whatever, and I used a letter texture in here. It's in my letter. I just changed the color and so on and so forth. So now this is the result, and I think that's the end of this video. So hope you enjoyed it, and thank you for watching.